to a new vlog. I am having such a cozy day today, so I felt like it was only right to pick up my camera and film it. It is already almost 5 o'clock, but as you saw, I went to Kelvin Grove Art Gallery earlier with my parents. I'm sorry that it was all phone footage. I wasn't expecting to film today, so I didn't bring my camera. So I'm sorry about that. And right now I'm about to do some baking. I'm gonna make a pecan pie. I don't know why that just like feels wrong when it comes out of my mouth. A pecan pie. I've never had a pecan pie before, so I'm hoping I'll like it, but it just felt like a cozy thing to bake. And it's also Bake Off tonight and it's dessert week, so I felt like those two went well together. I have not really been feeling my best recently, I'm not gonna lie. I think my period's about to start, so that is probably the reason. So I wanted to take today as a nice cozy day. I actually left my laptop charger at my parents' house yesterday, so I was basically gonna take today as like a complete day off from everything because my laptop was dead, but they did end up bringing it up to me, so I didn't really have an excuse not to do any work. So that's what I've been doing for the past couple of hours, but I'm gonna make my pie now and hoping that the cozy vibes will make me feel a bit better. I just like don't, I feel like I'm like on the brink of tears, don't know why. Yeah, it's fine. I actually did just get a really exciting email about a thing that I've been invited to, which is really exciting. I need to apply to that. We also have a date night planned at some point this week. Danny's like, are you listening in? I'm saying we have a mystery date night planned this week.
Yeah, I know, it's kind of scary.
Danny's planned a date night for us, which was meant to be tomorrow, but now it's changed till Friday, but it should be in this vlog anyway. I think I know what it is.
Such a...
But I'm not gonna say, Oh, I'll say to the camera.
Okay, but I won't listen.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure he's taking us to somewhere by Nico, the like cocktail bar on Byres Road, have a Halloween like cocktail night where they give you like multiple cocktails, not all Halloween themed, and I'm pretty sure that's like, as soon as he told me he was surprised me with the date night, I was like, it's gonna be that. But he did just tell me he had 3 different options, so now I'm thinking maybe that was one option, but he's told me it's like spooky, a spooky date night, and that I should dress up. So that's what I'm thinking it is, but I guess we'll find out together at the same time on Friday. So that's something to look forward to. But I am gonna make the pecan pie now, and hopefully it'll be nice and tasty. And do you know what, actually, I'm gonna watch the Thanksgiving episode, well, one of the Thanksgiving episodes of Gossip Girl with a slice of it. That sounds perfect. Okay, this is the recipe I'm using on a website called Taste Better from Scratch. This is what the pecan pie looks like, and these are all of our ingredients. It said to get corn syrup, but I think that's an American thing. I don't really think we get that here. And it said a substitute would be golden syrup, but we felt like maple syrup felt more autumn vibes, so hopefully it will still taste okay. Oh my gosh, that's the whole thing.
Are we sure? Like, that's an extent.
It says 1 cup.
It's gonna make an enormous pie. What are all the lumps, Hottie? Ugh.
That's disgusting. I don't think it's meant to look like this, guys. Ew.
I don't know how you're such a good baker. Really, I don't.
Ah! No!
Oh.
Oh no, is it not cooked?
No, it's cooked.
Okay guys, this is the pie. I don't know, I feel like it's too... Oh no.
It
Do you know what, that doesn't look awful.
doesn't look like I thought it would. It has holding its shape, isn't it?
Okay.
Am I good to go now?
Yeah. Good?
Yeah.
Yay! I was going to say the pastry is good, but I didn't make that part. We're doing a rewatch of The Haunting of Hill House. Kind of scared. We watched this like when it came out, and I actually had nightmares, but I really wanted to rewatch it. I know, it's the bent neck lady really scared me. Today's surprise date night day. Are you excited, Zero? Zero's only just really learned his name. Zero. Yeah! Yesterday was actually Danny and I's 6-month anniversary of being engaged, so he got me these roses. How nice. I look really terrible right now, but I have just done my makeup for a surprise date night. Still don't know what's happening. And I've also curled my hair and then put it in hot rollers. So I'm gonna take it out right now, and I thought that I should film it. I've never done this before, so... Oh, I have no idea how it's gonna go. Whoa, that's a good one. Oh no. This is what I think I'm gonna wear tonight. I got this dress from a vintage shop. It's actually Prada. Don't know, it could be a fake to be honest, because I got it for £45, which I feel like for a Prada dress is a bit suspicious. But I'm gonna wear this. I've got this necklace on. Danny also did say it's kind of spooky themed, so I felt like the necklace maybe made it a bit more spooky because the dress is a bit spring summer. So yeah, this is my outfit so far. Danny's about to start dinner, so we'll find out what it is. Danny's about to tell me what's for dinner.
Something we've not had for ages, but we used to have all the time.
Ramen? No.
Well, here's the accompaniment.
Bolognese?
Yeah.
Oh, yum, okay.
Bolognese, you don't have
Yeah, we haven't had bolognese.
Yeah. So, we've got all the stuff bolognese.
Yummy. Here's the bolognese so far. And we also have some snacks and some wine. I think it's Somewhere by Nico.
No, and I knew you'd think that.
Really? Oh, it's not. What is it?
What did you? What?
Oh, and the other option was a Governor, something on at the Governor. Is that what it is? What is it?
What do you think?
Beetlejuice? Addams Family? Is it the cinema? Don't know. The new one? Didn't even know that was out. Whoa!
See, and I'd thought about, and it's funny, I thought that's what you thought it was. Somewhere by Nico have their horror thing.
Yeah, that's what I thought it was.
Which looked really fun, but I thought...
Oh, Glasgow opens today. But I thought, well, you're not wait tell me to wear a padded dress when we go to Glasgow.
Yeah, it's poor. So no, I had hummed and hawed about thingy, but then I thought this would be more fun. It's also, we have a sofa, and
oh, we got the date night thing.
we got a date night package. So we got a bottle of wine, some salted popcorn. Left field went for minstrels as our sweetie.
What were the other options?
Basically all kind of sweeties. So not food pastels, but I thought, I don't know.
No, I like some things a
Food
week.
pastels with white wine, it's
I like a minstrel.
Yeah, so, and you got salted popcorn.
Good thing you told me before so I could take the glasses.
Well, I was going to remember that actually. And it's at 7:45.
Okay.
So we could leave at 7 and go somewhere else, or we can chat.
Okay. Yeah, that would be fun. I did not know that was out.
No,
Oh, I'm excited. That looks so good.
So I misread it. I thought it was out on Wednesday.
Oh. That's what I was curious with. Let me turn these up. I was curious. Oh, you can't see me. What is it?
Look how wafer thin slice that apple.
Can't wait to get them when I'm finished.
Because it'll be all bougie. You like Mary Berry for sure. Not Mary Berry. Name for a reason. Oh, there's actually a cute table there.
For you. The National Lottery raises over £30 million every step. Hold my hand, let's go. Shows people the incredible impact of play.
Best date night ever.
I did well. What can I do?
Sorry, let me get my wing in.
Sorry, just...
Sorry, actually just... This morning I'm going to be meeting my friend for brunch, which I'm really looking forward to. So this is what I've put on. I don't really know if I like this outfit, to be honest. I just feel like everything is a bit shapeless together, and I don't know if these trousers really match. However, she's going to be here in a few minutes, so I don't really think I have time to change. I have this faux fur coat to wear with it because I think it's quite chilly outside, and then I'm going to bring this bag that I just got from Mango. I am obsessed with it. I literally never buy bags, but I've been needing a new one for ages. I've done my makeup too, but my eyes are kind of puffy because I was left a bit hungover today, but we had such a fun night last night. Danny did such a good job organising a surprise date night.
This bag and it came in like
off. It's so cold in here. As you saw, I was just doing a bit of editing, and then I did a wee bit of my French class that I've been doing. I think I've spoken about this in another video, but I wanted to learn French for years. I love France, I love Paris, I really want to live there one day. Fingers crossed it actually happens. So obviously I need to learn French. So it's been going fairly well so far. I can't really say very much yet, but I'm sure that'll come at some point. I've definitely spoken about this, but I actually did do French at uni during first year as my elective, and I was absolutely terrible. So hopefully it's gonna go better than that. Can't really say I learned very much from that year. But today's Saturday, it's just about 5 o'clock, I think. Danny's actually not here tonight. He's back at his parents' house because he's dog sitting for them. I'm just having a chilled night with Zero and Bones. Obviously, Strictly is on tonight, so I'm gonna watch that. We have a wee bit of wine left from last night, and we also have some leftover bolognese. So that is my plan for the evening. We had such a fun night last night. Danny just did such a good job with the surprise date night, and he's just the best, and I feel so grateful for him and that he does things like this for me, because he knows how much I enjoy stuff like that. So we had such a fun night. The cinema was great. I loved the date night package. We said we'd definitely do that again. I think it was £45, but that was for 2 tickets, a bottle of wine, popcorn and sweets. So I feel like that's actually not that bad, especially because the Grosvenor is quite an expensive cinema anyway, just for like a normal ticket. The film was also amazing. We both really enjoyed it. Would definitely recommend it. It had all of the dark academia, spooky, gothic vibes that I was hoping for. Really enjoyed it. Also, I know it's so bad that I still take my makeup off with makeup wipes, but it's just always what I've used. So easy. Danny and I also went to the post office to pick up some stamps because we're sending our save the dates out finally this week or next week. So excited about that. I feel like all of my friends have been like, where are these save the dates? Because I've said for months we're going to be sending them out, but we finally have everything together. I was going to plan maybe like a wee save the date night. Probably should have thought about that while I was out, and I could have maybe picked some stuff up, but I thought that could be fun because we need to like write all the envelopes and stuff like that. But I'm very excited to send the save the dates. Just doing my skincare right now. I'm using this LMS lavender toner, and then just using this L'Oreal Revitalift filler hyaluronic replumping water cream. I really like this stuff. And then also this La Roche-Posay Effaclar serum, which Danny bought me when he went to Paris a couple of weeks ago, and I really like this. It's really nice. I feel like it's making my skin a lot better because my skin was not looking too good for a while. I love anything from La Roche-Posay. I feel like it feels like such a luxurious brand. I also have this dry patch on my neck, which I've had for ages. You might have noticed it in videos. It's very noticeable. So I'm gonna try and put some of this Nivea cream on it. I've literally tried everything and this will not go away. It's really itchy. I don't know if it's from our washing stuff, because we did change that fairly recently. I can't remember when this appeared though, but it's weird I've not got this anywhere else. It literally is just this one bit, and it's really annoying. I'd go anywhere he goes, and he says I'm so American. Oh God, I'm gonna marry him if he keeps this shit up. I doubt it, we're too slow moving. We trust everyone we meet. My nails are too long for this. Two bodies riddled with scars from our preteens, intertwined in a car's dirty backseat. Stare at a driving screen. Everywhere, everything. I wanna love you till we're food for the worms to eat. It's Sunday morning and we're off for a run. I have been trying to train to do a 10k. I feel like embarrassing training to do a 10k, but the most I've ever done is 5k before. So I've been using the Runner app and I'm on my 3rd run of the app. I'm only on the 1st week, but it's going okay so far. I'm feeling kind of tired this morning, so I really can't be bothered. If I do all the training it tells me to do, then I should be able to run a 10k by the end of December, which is probably not the most ideal time to be running it around Christmas. This is the plan for today. So this is a 400 meter repeats run. It's quite good because they give you different things like this and tell you how fast to run and how long it should take you. Not sponsored, by the way. Wish it was.